This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 can of quality tuna, well drained, and about 2 tablespoons of good olive oil. Don't forget 1 small onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. We'll also use 1 14-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, some fresh basil, and a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. These simple items form the delicious base. Now, let's start building our flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium skillet over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your finely chopped onion. Sauté it gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes translucent and tender. Next, stir in the minced garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Cook for just 1 minute more, ensuring the garlic is wonderfully fragrant but doesn't brown, which can make it bitter. This aromatic base is key. With our aromatics ready, it's time to add the tomatoes. Pour in the entire 14-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Now, carefully add your drained tuna, breaking it into smaller, flaky pieces directly into the sauce with your spoon. Stir everything together well. Let this delicious mixture simmer for at least 10 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to truly meld and deepen. This step is crucial for richness. Finally, for the perfect finish, stir in a generous handful of fresh basil leaves, roughly chopped, right before you serve. This adds a burst of fresh aroma and flavor. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Your delicious tuna sauce is now ready. Serve it warm over your favorite pasta, perhaps spaghetti or penne. For an extra touch, garnish with more fresh basil or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.